Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you this wig from Hergivenhair. This is their 3-in-1 half wig and I have the Kinky blowout texture. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box before washing and blow drying. And then this is the wig after. And this is called a 3-in-1 wig because with this drawstring you can literally turn this wig into anything you want, even a ponytail. So I'm just going to install this as a half wig. I am just sectioning off the hair that I want to leave out. And since this wig is so versatile, you can literally leave out the smallest amount of hair or a lot of hair if that was your preference. So to tame the hair in the back, I'm just putting on a wig cap and then I'm going to plop this wig on. There's combs all the way around the wig, so when I put it on, I'm just going to adjust it, stick the combs in, and also utilize the drawstring that's in the back to get the most comfortable fit. And when I tell you the wig is nice and snug, it's not going anywhere. And I tighten it to like the max. And once that's done, I am just going to blend my hair, which really doesn't take much. As you can see, the blend is like instant. The only thing I didn't do was dye the hair, so you could probably see a color difference. My hair is black and this half wig is like a dark brown color, but I'm definitely going to go back in and dye this wig black. This is just something so easy to install when you really don't feel like doing your hair or you just don't know what to do with your hair. You can do so many styles with this. So this is what it looks like from the back. This is 18 inches long. I'm not sure the density, but I will be sure to list that down below for you guys. I just love that it actually looks like blown out hair. It looks like I just washed my hair and I'm about to straighten it. So if you don't put a lot of heat on your hair but you like to like stretch your natural hair, this will be the perfect wig for you. You can do so many heatless styles with this. I'm just gonna go in with this, like, I don't even know what this thing is. It's like a straightening brush. It doesn't get the hair super straight, but it will take some of that thickness out of the hair, and it's so easy to use. I don't even know where I got it from, but I'm just using this to take a little bit of the density out at the top, if that makes any sense. For the first style, I'm going with a half up, half down look, and this is probably the easiest half up, half down you'll do with a half wig. Here, I'm just kind of trying to figure out where exactly I want my ponytail to be positioned at and just how much hair I want left out. And the best part about this is the way the tracks are sewn on this half wig. They're sewn really close together, so there's no gaps in your wig. You won't see any spacing when you turn around. It's going to give like a really natural look. And I know a lot of people now, when they do like half up, half down quick weaves and stuff, there's like no part in the back. So this just aligns perfectly with that easy style. And I'm just going to go in with some setting foam just to kind of lay my hair down a little bit. I literally hate edge control these days, so I've mainly been using this setting foam from TGIN, and for the most part it gets the job done, especially if I use it on like already straightened hair. It'll take a little bit for it to start to like kind of revert my hair back, but I'm just gonna go in with this hard bristle brush and brush the hair back.
Observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. I saw it soon as I walked in. I can break you off, and your beauty do it all. Speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your beauty. And this is what we're looking like. It's giving very natural. So
Once I finish combing out my ponytail, I'm just going to go in with the same foam and slick my edges down. My sideburns were already down from a previous style, and that's it for that one. So moving right along, I took the ponytail holder out. We are going to just do like a little flip over situation. Very easy. It just looks like I blew my hair out. So love that for me. And the last style I'm going to do is probably one of my favorites. I'm real quick to throw a headband on with any wig, any weave. It's just an easy style to do, and you can wear any color headband you want, and your hair isn't in your face. And if you didn't feel like blending that day, you don't have to, because you could just put a headband on. So I am throwing this headband on, and then I'm just taking that same straightening brush to kind of straighten out the top pieces, or just some of the pieces I feel like could be a little more straight and a little more tamed for this look. And yeah, that is pretty much it. There's a million, well, not a million, but there's so many more styles that you can do with these half wigs. The styles are pretty much endless. I definitely can see myself straightening this hair out, wand curling it, all of the things, but I wanted to leave this one in its natural state so you guys can see like its intended texture. Not everything has to be silky straight, so I can appreciate that some people don't always want their hair straightened. This wig is perfect for you. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to list all of Hergivenhair's info in the description box, as well as the link to the wig that I'm wearing, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.